Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to help you learn how to use or redeem Netflix gift cards. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. The first thing to do is tap open your web browser and in the search box type in netflix.com/redeem. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page right here. What you'll need to do is find the code by scratching the foil off the back of your card gently with a coin, and after you do that, enter the code that is displayed at the back of your card. Go ahead and type in the code or your PIN, and once you do that, tap on redeem. In order to get in, you'll need to complete this task over here, and soon after that, you'll be able to redeem your gift card on Netflix. On the next page, you'll be asked to enter your email address that is associated with your Netflix account, and you'll need to type in your password, and therefore, after you do that, you'll be able to redeem your gift card on Netflix. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.